Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so last session we have made good progress with submitting some of the outstanding changes. Now we have prepared another one, but we should test if current state still works. Let's see. So we click here, compare, and it does something. Yep. And we can also click here. It does something over here. Yeah, okay. Let's also try another window, a second one. Compare. Okay. Okay. Good. Then close that. Okay. Then I think we can submit this. Implement. How do we name this? Implement initial implement first steps for comparing files in the GUI. Implement first steps for comparing files in the GUI. Implement. Yeah, I guess that's good enough. Okay, commit. Okay, then we can do manage stashes. Yeah, and we can drop all these stashes here. Drop and drop. Good. All right. Then I think we can also push this. Push. Excellent. Okay, there is I think there is a pending review. Multiple ones. So Baptista asked if he can do something. So I asked him if maybe he can simplify the JSON logic in the executable. So he did that. Let's look at this. Executable serializer. Okay, so he moved all this out. Move JSON handling to executable. Simplify. Load from file. Save to file. A bit confused. Can we see the whole change? Well, this is a whole change, but but this is not what I expected here. I expected. So basically what I expect this refactoring to do is do it similar to here, PDB reader types, this way of saving. Okay, this is unholy. What the hell? What the hell? This is AI generated again, this code. I have the impression that he's a big friend of AI generated code now. I'm not sure. This here looks extremely strange. I mean, it's not wrong, but it's strange to write it like this. Okay, let's ask him. Let's give him this sample. Can you try to rewrite this stuff to can you try to rewrite this stuff to be similar to how PDB reader types do it? Basically, I would like to get rid of all this custom logic here, where they assemble the stuff here in function, because it just makes it hard to maintain, makes it error prone and complicated. But having like this JS per struct to JSON from JSON, I think makes it much more easy to maintain. the advantage of that is that this makes it much easier to maintain, but perhaps gives less flexibility in how the JSON format is, how the data is laid out in JSON. This likely makes it easier to maintain, but perhaps gives less flexibility in how the data is laid out in JSON. Can try to rewrite all this reading. Let's reads and writes. All this JSON read and writes. These JSON read and writes. Can you try to rewrite all these JSON read and write blocks to be similar to PDB? Good. Okay, let's move on with our efforts. Good. So, so I would like to check if we can maybe make this innate raw pointer. We did put a note here. What was it here? Pass down a shared pointer of the descriptor when chaining async commands. The question is this really necessary? Revision descriptor. It's only necessary Okay, it's kind of weird that we only pass down. Maybe we should keep it as the shared pointer passing here. Makes it robust. Yeah. Makes it robust. It's kind of weird that we now pass both file descriptor and revision descriptor. It's weird. Huh. PDB symbols filter. Maybe it would be worthwhile to try take out this file descriptor from all these commands here. Yeah. Let me think. File descriptor. So it would be mostly here this active command. Yeah. Which is fair enough. And the filters. Yeah. Filters and active command. Okay, the filters we can probably reset before we call this, before we create these commands. Yeah. Yeah. I think that we should do that. Yeah. Get this out because it's too much data dependencies here. Yeah. Okay. Then I think what we need to do is first we need to move. We need to move this stuff here in here. Here. And we take out this one. We take out these two. We take these two. We move this here. Mm-hmm. And then, okay, so this way we already have this stuff here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Then next step, we will put this here and here and there and there. Okay, that's simple enough. All right. So far, so good. Okay, excellent. And next step, we need to move these calls before we load. Yeah. Create load pdb command. Create load pdb command. Ta-ta. Here. Create load command. No. Here. Yeah, I think we do it here. Load async descriptor. Load async. Yeah. I think we do it here. Yeah, I think that would be okay for now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so basically whenever we create a new revision descriptor, hold on, create new revision descriptor. How about create new revision? Yeah. Yeah, we can reset these guys in here before we create a new. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea, I think. Okay. Dot reset. All right. Good. So then every time we create this guy, Ah, but hold on. Wait, this is correct. Yeah, it should be correct. It's not loaded first. Create load command. Yeah, I think that's correct. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Okay, and then we should be able now to this is here. Okay, that's correct. Good. So we should now be able to remove all these guys here. This, that. Okay. There we go. Okay. Ta, ta, ta. Oh. Oh. Oops. Can load exe. Ah, hold on. We can call this on the revision descriptor because we have a copy. Yeah. Okay, I was worried there for a moment, but this should work. Yeah. Good. I was worried for 2 seconds, but that's good. Okay, great. Okay, we can skip this guy and we can remove this guy. Amazing. 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 Remove this here. And these two. And this. Okay, great. Always good to simplify the codes. Yep. All right. Oops. Okay. Can save exe config. Huh. Ah. Okay, so we need to actually recover this here. Validate act command ID. No, we don't do this. So we actually need to say return revision descriptor is not null pointer, and revision descriptor has active commands. Let's add another. Get active commands ID const ta 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 active command ID. Okay, good. What's the problem here? I don't know what the problem is. Descriptor get active command ID. There we go. Okay. Good. But I have now one more question. I wonder if this is too early to set it. Maybe these things need to be set before we actually create the commands. Create command. Let me see. So create load commands. Create load commands. It's here and here. Create load command. Load revision. Yeah. No, I think that's fine. I think it's fine. Good. Let's see if it compiles. Okay, so load. Yeah, okay. Save. Yeah. Load. Yeah, save. All right. Okay. Okay. Great. Yeah. Compare. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think we can submit this. Just need to remove this here. Ta-ta. Ta-ta. Okay. All right. This looks good. Validate. Good. Okay. And good. Okay. Let's double check that this works correctly. So we load a file, we look at the info, we put a filter here, hell, it's filter 20, and now we press load again, and the filter is recreated. Yeah. Okay, no crashes, all good. AA loads. Good. Excellent, excellent. Close. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Good. Good. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, okay, that's correct. Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Looks good. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. All right. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, excellent. Let's call this simplify. Simplify. Or reduce data dependency when loading file revisions in GUI. Reduce data dependency when loading file revisions in GUI. Or with GUI. With GUI. Okay, good. Commit. Okay, what we also need is, by the way, we really did not use these things, right? Starts with. we did not. So okay, so far so good. Things look solid. Now we also need to add a active command ID to our comparison descriptor here. Sorry. How about we move this boolean to here, or we move it? Yeah, let's have it there. Jesus. You can actually also optimize space for this one, I think. Let's move this down here. We'll save 8 bytes. Yep. Good. So what we also need now is we need this, and we also need this as active commands. Okay. So comparison descriptor. Actually, hold on. As active commands. I think we need to okay, we need to put some thought here into this. The question is, it doesn't make sense to disable the whole array, but the whole comparison window whenever we do some async operation. But we should probably just disable parts of it. So the question is how much I don't even know how to word it. How much insight do we need into a command ID? Oof. Let me see. So we do have build matched functions. Yeah. Name functions. fire. Yeah. Okay, I have a rough idea. I will be right back. Okay. Single bundle. Okay, so I think for starters, what we do, we simply get active invalidate command. Comparison descriptor. Matched functions command. Matched functions. Person. I have a cable situation here. Single bundle command. Oof. I think here we can actually simplify the interface a bit by passing this. Yeah. Why do we assert this here? We never use it in here. So can we remove that? File. And matched functions. What we can do is assert matched functions build. PDB loaded. And also named functions built. PDB loaded. And named functions built. Matched functions. Matched functions also requires named functions. Okay. exe loaded. Yeah. Name functions build, name functions build, name functions build, matched functions build. Okay, file. The file. Okay. I think that works. Okay, fair enough. Good. Back to our command ID. So, command ID. Command ID, active command ID. Yeah, I think we also need it here. Let's put some spacings here. Then we also need get active command ID. The question is, do we need that here? Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. Also not here. This not. But this yes. Has active commands. This probably also not. And here we say invalidate has active get active command ID. We should probably also add here get active command ID. To return active command ID. And then here get active command ID. Why is this green? Logical and when bitwise? Huh? That makes no sense. That comment makes absolutely zero sense. I don't know why Visual Studio does this, but it makes no sense. Okay. Well, how about we take a copy of these guys here. Then we go here. Copy. Okay. Okay. And then next step. Jesus. Oops. What? For const file files if file dot has active commands, return true, else return false. Okay. Good. Let's remove this and this and this. And yeah. Good. So this should build. Then let's go to our async commands here. Good. So we need to set here revision descriptor. Okay. Here revision descriptor. We saw. Yeah. Okay, the problem is if we set the active ID here, then it will also affect the file manager visualization. Yeah, we probably need some sort of active command activity reason. Yeah, we need an activity reason. Yeah. Activity reason. Yeah, okay, I think we can do that. So here we say invalidate command ID. And we do the same here. Comparison to script. Should probably, let's do it like this. For size t I, let's do integer. Plus. Actually, yeah, it's okay. Equals 0. Okay, so we put here maybe we put file, Jesus. File. Okay, file equal that. And then we do file dot active command. Oh no, we need to invalidate. Validate. There we go. Okay. Okay. And then down here we do for this. I think we can simply do file dot active command ID equals command ID. There we go. Okay, then we can also remove this. There we go. Okay, then we also need to put this here. Vision descriptor, active command ID, and that. Okay, good. Okay, so far so good. File, invalidate command ID, invalidate. All right, and then file. file active command ID equals commands ID. Command ID. Good. Okay, put that here and there and there. Good. Then let's remove the to-dos. All right. Da, 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 da. Okay, good. Let's see if that compiles. And it does. Good. Okay, so the command IDs are set now. So I think what we need is we need some activity reason. Activity reason. Work queue. How about we put here an enum class work reason, and then work reason here is load save config, load save config. Yeah, and anything else? Load hold on, this is a file descriptor, not here. We put it here. Revision descriptor, work reason, load save config, and load save config and build named functions. Build named functions. Okay. And then here for the file in here, we also have a work reason, and here the reasons are I try to come up with reasons. Build matched functions. Build compilant bundles, or just, yeah, let's just call it bundles, build bundles. Yeah. Well, it can be specific. Builds compilant bundles. Builds source file. Let's just make one build bundles for now. Build matched functions, build bundles. Okay. Let's be specific. Can still change it later. Okay, build source file bundles, build single bundle. Okay. Anything else? No, I think that's it for now. Build bundles. Build bundles. I think this should be renamed to bundles build. Bundles build. Yeah. Okay. And then we need to set these guys. So we need some work reason. So we set here work reason. Work reason. And we initialize it with, well, just set any. We can just initialize it empty work reason. Okay, we do the same. Do the same here. Work reason. Okay. Good. That's a good start. And so now basically everywhere where we set the active command ID. By the way, before we do this, there's actually one more thing I had in mind here. Has active command. I think what we also need to do is has active command. We need to say if revision descriptor is not null pointer and revision descriptor has active commands, and if if revision descriptor work reason equals oh boy, let's do switch Switch work reason case work reason load and build name functions. So if these two are there, then we return true. Otherwise, we keep on going. Active commands. Yes, active commands. Let's do case. Save config, then we don't care. Break. Default. Okay. Build name functions. Yeah, so we care about loading, build name functions, but we don't care about save config. Yeah, I think that is fair. Get active command ID. There we put the same stuff. And we say active command, if work reason this or that, then return this get active command ID. Why don't we simplify this to return get active command ID is not this. Yeah, that makes it much simpler. And so we also need this logic in the other get active command ID here. So we have, so the file descriptor oh, I see the, no, I don't know. So here we do, but okay, so we only care about these two. We don't care about this one, right? Work reason. Okay, and if that is not the case, then we return invalid invalid work command ID. Okay, and so this here also return get active command ID is not invalid this. Okay. Okay. Get active command ID. Yeah. Good. I think that is correct. Good, let's see if that compiles. And it does, good. Then next step, we need to set, need to set, need to set okay, so everywhere where we set the active command ID, we need to also set the work reason. Good, so where is it? Here. Good, so revision descriptor, work reason equals program file work reason load. Yeah. Okay. Load PDB, this is the same. Load PDB and exe is covered here. Okay, next, save config. Put that to save config. And here we also put save config. Then here we put build named functions. There we go. Okay, next. Here, file work reason. There we put build matched functions. Yeah. Okay. Then here we do, oops, work reason file build maybe we should rename this. Oh, it's okay. Work reason, okay. And then here is source file bundles. And here we have single bundle. Okay, cool. Okay, so this now means we have a way of filtering, like, okay, what is this actually active for, right? The only problem is if we then switch to a model where a work model where the queue no longer is clogging, so multiple threads work on commands, then the work reason would be overwritten and the command IDs as well. So then we would need to, yeah, we would then have to create like some list of list of something, list of IDs and reasons. Yeah. Okay, well, we can do this when the time comes. Right now we don't need that. Okay, good. Good, let's compile this. Yeah, succeeded. Okay. Then let me think. Yeah, let's have a quick look at what we just did to see if this makes sense. Yeah, yeah. Okay, here we can remove this. Okay. Good. This looks promising. Good. The next step is we. Do we really want to do this already? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, so basically we will need to in the background furniture body. Oof. Draw command overlay, right. Has active commands. Yeah. So draw command descriptor. Overlay progress bar. Oops, I didn't mean to delete. Okay, group rect. Disabled. Disabled. Okay, let's take the stuff here. And let's move it to our comparison manager. So we have this thing here. Body. Yeah, for now, let's put this in one giant scope here. I think we will refactor this later again. So we create a group. Descriptor has active commands. Yeah. And then we put this draw command overlay down here. Here. Descriptor has active command. Get active command. Descriptor. We have two sides. We have two sides. Processing commands. Yeah. The question is how Poof. Yeah, I don't know how we want to organize the busy overlay. Since we have tables left and right, we would have to set it in different places, which does give the intended control. But I think it's fine, yeah, to just have one overlay there. Okay, how about we do here, we put a second one here. We do descriptor dot m files 0, and then we put here another one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this should basically now draw one overlay over here when we load. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Okay, if we click here on load all. Okay, the comparison is really fast. Really fast. Loads. Compare. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again from scratch. Compare. Okay. Compare. The overlay looks a bit strange, doesn't it? Hold on. Let's put here not as active commands. Why does this look so weird? Huh. It's the clickable. Okay. So the disable doesn't fully work. Doesn't fully work. That's unfortunate. Ah, wait, hold on. That's because this one, we need to flip this as well. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, so disabling works. That's good. But the drawing looks weird. Why does it look so weird? I don't know. Somehow the blue draws here over the command. Is that because, let me see, overlay. Is that maybe because the here the title BG color, maybe the problem is that it's transparent here. No, it does have title BG. Get style color back 4. No, it's solid. It has 100% alpha. Why is this not working correctly then? Dim BG. I don't know. I don't know why it looks so strange. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it would be nice if it was drawing properly. Here it looks fine. Just black. But here it's not black. What is the problem? I'm not seeing it right now. Must be some reason for it. Overlay progress bar. Is there any difference? Progress bar. I don't know. Somehow it doesn't look the way I expected it. Overlay progress bar. Overlay progress bar. Take the title BG. Title BG. One. Okay, here it has some transparency. Title BG. I don't know. Frame BG. I don't know. Okay, how about we look into this next session? I currently have no idea as to what the problem might be, but there must be a reason for this. Probably something stupid. Yeah. Good. Then, yeah, I will end it here. I think we made some good progress. Almost 2-hour session. Good. All right, then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.